Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 11. There are a couple of different methods, so try not to skip them. Why does this method occur? This is a problem with the Windows update, and so you need to fix that. The Windows update troubleshooter is the first thing you need to run. So how do you run that? Type in settings under search. On the left hand side, click on system. From here, go to troubleshoot, and from here go to other troubleshooters, and from here scroll down until you see something called Windows Update. On the right hand side you're gonna see a button called Run. Click on that and that will run a follow the online instructions, and then after that has finished, try to update once again. On the left hand side, go to Windows Update, check for updates, and see if you can install the update. The next problem people have is insufficient disk space, so open up your Windows File Explorer. Right click on your main drive, go to properties, and see how much free space you have. You need at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free space. If you don't have it, it's not going to work. So you can type in disk cleanup here, and it will help you clean up some disk space if you need to do that. The next thing you want to do is restart the Windows Update services. So type in run in the search bar here. From here, type in services.msc. and hit enter, and from here you're gonna see three different services that you need to stop and restart. The first service, cryptography, where is that? Cryptographic services. Stop and start this. After you have done that, you want to click on background intelligence transfer, this one here. Stop and start this one. And the last one, it's gonna be a service called Windows Update. You want to, this one here, stop and start this service. After you have done that, again go back to settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and see if you can install the update. The next thing you want to try is to clear the Windows Update cache. So open File Explorer, go to C, go to Windows, and then from here go to Software Distribution. And under Software Distribution, basically you might need to stop the Windows Update service first, as I just showed you how to do. But basically you want to delete all of the contents here. Delete them. It's okay. These are temporary cache files. They will be remade next time you do the update. And see, and basically reboot your PC, and then again go back to settings, update, check for updates to see if you can install the update properly. The next thing you want to do is manually download the update. So go to catalog.update.microsoft.com and then find the update. In the error message, they should have the numbers of it should look like something KB505 or something like that, the numbers of the update that you're having an error with. For me, this would be the newest error update that I would need to download. Basically, after you download it, it's going to be an MSU file. Double click on that, run it, reboot your PC, and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is open command prompt. So type in cmd under search, right click, hit run as administrator. There's two things you want to do. Type in sfc /scan now. That will scan your PC for any kind of corrupt files and automatically replace them. After it has finished, don't click on the window. I just don't want to wait for it to finish. But after it has finished, you want to type in something else. You want to type in DISM online cleanup image restore health. And this will also take a couple of minutes depending on how fast your computer is, and it will ask you to reboot your PC and say yes. After you do that, again try to install the update and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do, if you have third-party antivirus, uninstall them first and perform a clean boot. Otherwise, just perform a clean boot. How do you do that? Type in run msconfig. Go to services, hide all Microsoft services, click on that, click on disable all. After you have done that, click on the startup tab, open task manager, right click on all of the not important looking things you have running, disable them, reboot your PC, and then run an installer once again to see if that fixes the issue. And if you're having a blue screen of death or something like that, you need to boot into, you need to hold on F8 or F10, boot into safe mode, and then you need to roll back your installation. So go to settings, after you're in safe mode, go to update. From here, go to advanced options, and from here, go to recovery. If you installed the update within the last 10 days, you can roll back. If not, you can reset your PC, click on reset PC, keep my files. This is the last resort since it takes a couple of hours and it is kind of annoying to do, but it will 100% fix your issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.